Hey guys, today we're working on the 78 Supercab. We're doing the brakes today. We got the passenger side done. Still working on the driver. Actually, we just got the driver side, all the old busted off. Getting everything cleaned up, wire brushed, getting all the rust off, and then we'll be putting everything back together. Went with new wheel cylinders, new springs, new pads, new rotors, new adjusters, everything. Everything's pretty well new inside the brake. Got the new rotors right there. We still got to get them cleaned up and painted. We actually had a brake line break on the driver's side. They were so rusted, the line was just twisted inside the fitting. This side came off just because I hacksawed the other one. We'll just go buy a pre-made brake line, this relative same size, bend it to fit. But once we get all our everything cleaned up rust-wise, best we can, we'll come back. All right, guys, we got the driver's side done now. We're actually about to start painting the rotors. We're getting all the oil off them, just using brake cleaner to get all the oil that comes off so they don't rust. Once we get all that oil off, we'll paint them, hit it with brake cleaner. But brand new rotors, once they're cleaned, we'll get all these through back on. About to head to the parts store, pick up the pre-made brake hose. Or not the pre-made, but, well, I guess they are pre-made. They're just straight, and you bend them the way you need them. Once we do that, we'll get the new master cylinder put on. He might be doing the brake booster as well, not real sure. Here's the passenger side. But that's what we've done so far. Once we get those painted, let them dry probably while we run to the parts store, get them through on, get everything bled, and get them adjusted. Hopefully this thing will stop. Well, we're done for the night. We got both brake sides done. Got the rotors painted. Mess with them later. We actually went and picked up a new brake line. Turns out the thread's the same on this fitting. It's just longer than our other, so it won't thread in. So what I'm gonna do, bring my flaring kit out here and just cut it, put the old fittings on, reflare it, then just reuse the new brake line that way. But we're gonna take out the middle lift block right there on both sides. Once we get it lowered back down, see what it looks like there. If he likes it, we might leave it. If not, might pull out that other block. But as of right now, we're done for the night. Got both brake shoes, springs, wheel cylinder, everything replaced on both sides. Rotors are painted. I'll throw pictures of those in there. Other than that, once we get the brakes done, we'll be able to take it to the car wash after we SOS the whole thing, kind of get it shined up. Then we'll cut and buff it and really get this paint back to shining, really. But I just figured I'd give you an update on the 78 Supercab.